In one of my previous videos, I was showcasing these really cute Demon Slayer keycaps that I found, and these are honestly the best anime merch I've ever seen.
And obviously, so many of you wanted to know where I got them. And I am the man of the people.
And even though this video is not sponsored, which it should be, honestly, so if you're watching this, hit me up. But anyway, these are the Demon Slayer Cyber Power keycap collab set. Each box comes with 4. Same characters in every box. We have Tanjiro, Nezuko, Zenitsu, and Inosuke. I honestly feel like they did a really good job with designs here. Like, each one looks like them, but it's also really cute. It doesn't feel too cheap. I will say though, my Zenitsu one is a little misshapen.
Like, overall though, worth it. Go get some.